In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up conversion events in Google Tag Manager. By the end, you'll have a clean setup that sends accurate conversion data from your website to Google Ads, using Google Tag Manager to manage everything without touching your code base. Start by signing into Google Ads. From the main menu, open Goals, then go to Conversions. On the Conversions page, head to the Summary view. This is where all your conversion actions live. Click the plus button to create a new conversion action. When prompted for a source, choose Website, enter your site's URL, and select the option to add a conversion action manually. This path gives you full control over when and how the conversion fires. Once the conversion action is created, pick the setup method that says Use Google Tag Manager. Google Ads will show you two important values, your conversion ID and your conversion label. Keep this window open or copy these values somewhere safe. You'll need them in Tag Manager. Now switch to Google Tag Manager. First, create your base tag so Google Ads can receive data across your site. Add a new tag and select Google Tag as the type. Enter your tag ID as provided for your account, then set the trigger to initialization all pages. This ensures the tag loads early on every page, which improves reliability and attribution. Save the tag. Next, create the actual conversion tag. Click Tags, then New, and choose Google Ads Conversion Tracking. Paste in the exact conversion ID and conversion label you copied from Google Ads. Now define the trigger that represents your conversion. Common examples include a thank you page view after checkout, a form submission confirmation, or a successful sign-up event. If you use a thank you page, a page view trigger that matches that URL is simple and robust. For forms or buttons, you can use a click or form submission trigger filtered to the specific element. Name your trigger clearly so it's easy to maintain. Before you publish, test. Click Preview in Tag Manager to open Tag Assistant, load your site, and walk through the conversion. Confirm the Google tag fires on all pages at initialization, and verify the conversion tag only fires on the intended action. Fix any misfires or duplicate triggers now. When everything looks good, publish your container. Your Google Ads conversion event is now live and managed through GTM, giving you reliable, trackable results for your campaigns.